Hello everybody and welcome back to our video course. Today we already are going to create a pipe support, so let's create a new file, name it Gradior ubolt 701. Now let's import Gradior supports.components.ubolt 701 and import primitives. Okay. Now also add standard Plant3D modules. Okay, and let's set things up. We need to use the activate function. So define group equals support, ports equals 1, tooltip short ubolt, and tooltip long. You can actually write any description you liked here. This description you will see either in Spec Editor or in Plant3D environment. Okay, so don't forget also length unit equals millimeters. Then we start by adding a group called main dimensions. So group main dimensions. You know what? Let's make it a bit bigger. So just drag it here and make it bigger. Oh, great. Because we had some typos to fix. Main dimensions and group. Okay, fine. Now it's good. After that, we define 3-dimension parameters. First, we use param dn. It is nominal diameters. Also add tooltip long with description. Then we define whether our ubolt is fixed point or not. If the value is 1, it will be fixed point. If it is 0, it is a guide support. That's a logic. And finally, we define T, which is the wall thickness. Oh, sorry, I mean the thickness of the plate. Okay, let's begin. Pay attention, the function name should be the same as the module name and the same as the picture's name too. So we define the function and we pass in the same parameters we just described in the dimensions. Good. The doc strings are generated by Copilot, so we will leave it like that. It can be. Now, good. This one we will delete, and first thing we need to check if fixed point value is 0 or 1. If not, we will reset it to 0. Okay. Then we just create an ubolt object, and that's it. Next, we need to set the base point to our component. It will be point 3D. Oh, you know what? We need to add a bit more. We will define class point 3D first. Here we will. Okay, sorry. This one we will delete and add a method estoppel. Okay, it will define the usual point 3D class object. And okay, let's go back, make this point 3D, and also we will need direction. Okay, good. Just keep in mind that x-axis it is the pipe axis. Then we define the bottom of the pipe. We will need it to use for snap point, and that's it. Okay, good. Now we should define also two helper methods. just to wrap up standard ones. First one will be set point. I will name it set port. For this one we will need point and direction. And just use standard set point method. So point as tuple and direction. Good. And second one is set linear dimension. I will name it set dimension. And for this method we will need name string and start point and end point. And also standard method set linear dimensions with parameters name, start and end. Good. Now let's go back to our support module. Let's make set port, insertion, point and direction. Okay. And you know what? We need snap point. So I'll just use a dummy name here, some like spirit. It won't be used anywhere else. It just so we can snap it to that point if needed, and nothing else. Then we calculate the position of the second node. We'll shift it if necessary, depending on the plate thickness. Okay. Good. Then we will check. Okay, we will define T parameter as maximum plate thickness, and use these set dimensions to drag and shift the bottom node. Okay, good. Then just copy the necessary images and let's go to AutoCAD and register the script. Oh wait, look, here we have some mistakes. Yeah, I can see that in Activate line we accidentally wrote tooltip shorts with an S. We have to, that's wrong, we have to delete S. So let's delete it and check it again. Okay, now it's good. If everything is correct, you should see the command loaded with any errors. So the script was successfully registered, and we can move on to defining the support in the Spec Editor. Now we already have the Spec Editor open. Let's get started. Let's name it like Gradior bolt, or let's give it the same name as the module, and after that add prefix. It's a fixed support or a guide support. Okay, good. Add the manufacturer and also select that it is support and select that it is, oh sorry, no, it's not here, should be lower. Here select Anchor, and actually that's it. Don't forget to fill in all the dimensions and matching pipe out diameter, and that's it. Then just make the copy of it and make guide support instead of fix. And you okay, so now we have two of them, one guide support and second one fixed one. Just only in fixed support we simply change the fixed point value to 1. Good, it's gonna work. Let's add it to spec and let's test it in AutoCAD Plant3D environment. Okay, I'll draw a pipe. Good. And let's insert some support. It doesn't work. Actually, cannot generate the geometry. Alright, let's troubleshoot. Here it is. We forgot to define the ID argument and KW. No problem. We'll fix it and register script again. So reload AutoCAD Plant3D and try it one more time. Good. It works. Perfect. We can see that we have both versions. First one is fixed point and second one is guide version. Let's add some L profile to just to see how it works. Okay. I catched the wrong snap point. Let's try it again. Good. So we can see this one works perfect and snap points works well. So we can just hit the L profile. Good. And if needed, we can change directly here the type of support to fixed one. Okay. Oh, something is wrong. We have to fix it. Oh, you can see we have to we moved it wrong. We have to move it down. Okay, so reload it again. Let's make a pipe again. Oh, made a bit longer. Okay, so guide bolt looks okay. And second one, oh, now it's good. Perfect. So now let's try it again, how it works. Oh, let's rotate it. Okay, so now we have guide support. And just change it, and we have fixed point version. Good. So that's it.